Welcome to our word work for today. We are starting a new lesson. This is lesson 1 in a different unit, unit 11. So let's take a look at our words, and we are working with contractions. So if we take a look, this word is she is, and our contraction turns into she's. Everyone say she's. Our two words here is it is, and it turns to it's. Our two words up here are I am, and it turns to I'm. Our two words up here are you are, and it turns to your. And up here it is we are, and it turns to we're. So remember, with contractions, we are going to replace a letter, and we're dropping it and adding an apostrophe. We're going to add an apostrophe. So let's just look at the top. And let's look at our words from this list. And we have she is, and it turns to she's. So what letter did we replace with an apostrophe in she is? Let's look at she is and she's. Well, let's see. We have S, H, E. We don't have an I. We replace the I with an apostrophe. And then we still have S. Perfect. Let's look at it is. What did we replace with the apostrophe? So we have I, we have T. Oh, it doesn't look like we have an I. It looks like we have an apostrophe. So we replace the I, and we still have the S. So it goes from it is to it. If we look at our two words, she is and it is, these both have the word is. Do we see how we replace the I with the apostrophe, and we still have the S for both of them? That's how it's going to be when you have the word is at the end for a contraction. Let's look at the next one. I am. I am. Well, we have the contraction I'm. What letter did we drop, or did we place with an apostrophe? Replace with an apostrophe. We have I. Do we have a? No, we have an apostrophe. So we dropped and replaced a with an apostrophe, and we still have M. I am turned into I'm. I'm. We have another set right here, where our second word is the word are. You are and we are. So let's look at you are. You are turns into your. So what happens here? Let's see what we drop and replace with the apostrophe. We have Y, we have O, U. There's no A. We replace the A with an apostrophe. So we drop the A, and we have R and E still. Drop the A or replace the A with an apostrophe to make your. Is that going to happen in this word, we are, or the two words we are? Are we going to replace the A with an apostrophe? Well, let's take a look. W, E, aha. There is no A. It's an apostrophe. So we replace this A with an apostrophe. And we still have R and E. So we are turns into we're. You are turns into your. So let's do number 1 together as an example. Number 1, what we are going to be doing is turning our black words into contractions with what we have up here. Let me go ahead and erase that so we don't confuse ourselves too much. Okay, perfect. So our box number 1 says he is running fast. What is going to be my contraction for he is? He is not up here, but remember we were looking at the contractions with is, and we saw that we dropped the I and replaced it with an apostrophe to add, and then we added the S again. So he is, we're going to drop the I and replace it with an apostrophe. So let's get rid of that I. And now it's going to be he's. So we can write here, he's.